With Klaxoon, bring all the power of visual collaboration and collective intelligence into your Jira workflows. For all the Jira users out there, you can now import your Jira tickets in Klaxoon Board to make your project kickoffs, workshops and other agile meetings more interactive and efficient. Klaxoon's visual collaboration workspace will make it easier for all participants to discuss, sort, update and prioritize your project items. Connecting Klaxoon to Jira is easy. Directly from your Klaxoon board, you can now import your Jira tickets from various projects into your favorite whiteboards. Once connected, any update is reflected both in your Jira and Klaxoon boards. From our integration panel in Board, use our flexible import options to add the items you're interested in, such as specific issues, JQL search, automatic import rule. In Board, all the information attached to a Jira issue is easily accessible and visible. You can either decide to update an issue in Board or in Jira. It's up to you! And any idea added to Board can also easily be converted into a Jira issue. With Jira and Klaxoon, facilitate agile project management while saving time on projects prioritization and follow-up